In the late 12th century, Albert of Louvain, son of Duke Godfrey III of Brabant, was destined for greatness. First a canon at age 12, then a knight, Albert's restless heart longed for something deeper. He returned to the church, embracing his vocation with sincerity. When elected Bishop of Liège, Albert faced fierce opposition from Emperor Henry VI, who sought to impose his own candidate. Albert appealed to Rome, and Pope Celestine III confirmed his rightful election. But this defiance of imperial power came at a cost. On November 21, 1192, Albert was ambushed and murdered near Reims by imperial knights. His death was not in vain. Rome stood firm, excommunicating his rival and forcing the emperor to submit. Albert's martyrdom became a symbol of the Church's independence from secular control. True faith demands courage, even in the face of worldly power. Albert reminds us that fidelity to God is worth more than earthly titles or safety. Lord, grant us the courage of Saint Albert of Louvain, who gave his life for truth and faith. May we remain steadfast in our convictions, and may his example inspire us to defend justice and holiness. Amen.